Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix the finals gamepad or controller not working issue. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. After that, log into the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here select enable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If the issue still continues, again come back, select disable use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once done, now check whether controller is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. Next, some other troubleshooting tips to follow. Clear cache on Steam. For that, go to Steam. Under libraries, here you have to click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You have to just confirm it and after that log into Steam once again and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If you are using wired plug for a controller, then unplug and replug it once and then check. Also suggested to use big picture mode for the finals game. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, here you have to select your game. Here is the big picture mode option. You have to click on it. Now after that, here you have to select the game and click on the play button and then click on Steam option, click on power, click on exit big picture mode and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few solutions to fix the finals gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.